Giving Mare!
Happy Thanksgiving! Ano yan?
Video!
Video? Ay, naku!
Itali kita sa YouTube ko.
Ay, naku!
Thanksgiving everyone! And happy holiday! And be thankful and be happy to our Lord Jesus Christ because even we are facing pandemic but we are still healthy. So thank you to God for everything. So our Thanksgiving dinner is I was cooking a turkey and I have a ham, we have veggies, we have gravy, we have some drinks, we have seafood, we have fruit salad, we have mashed potato, we have custard bread, this is shumai, apple pie, corn bread mixed with other bread, and this is our Thanksgiving stuffing for our turkey. So these are all our food. My other friend is not coming. She will come at 4 o'clock. So since we are hungry, we will eat now and we will eat again when she gets here. Right, honey? Yeah. By the way, we have already our Christmas tree. It's up already. So here you go. We will start our Thanksgiving dinner. Happy Thanksgiving, honey. So I will eat now, but I don't know where to start because we have lots of food. So I probably put my camera down so I can start cooking up my food. Guys, let's eat and happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Happy Thanksgiving, honey.
Say the back, I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been through that, never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage of this red. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom.
Mga palangga, ako ay nagbabalik at kakatapos lang namin kumain ng aming early Thanksgiving dinner. Sana kayong lahat ay nabubusog sa pag-celebrate ng inyong Thanksgiving dahil kami ay nabubusog. At we always giving thanks to our Lord Jesus Christ dahil healthy tayo sa ating face sa mga problema natin ngayon ng pandemic. Healthy pa rin tayo. Kailangan magpapasalamat tayo na healthy tayo sa ating katawan. So, salamat sa inyong panonood at kita-kita tayo sa ating susunod na mga video. Bye!